Hello friends, welcome to Technique, and today we're going to talk about the newly launched Viu TVs in India. So Viu has launched 3 new 4K cinema TVs in India with exceptional pricing which makes it affordable for all. Viu is a premium TV brand in India and they're one of the best in terms of the 4K experience. With the newly launched cinema TVs, Viu is bringing 3 sizes: the 43-inch, 50-inch and the 55-inch large 4K TVs. So let's have a look at what all features they have to offer. Firstly, let's have a look at the design. The first and most striking thing about the TV is the soundbar, which is available at the bottom of the TV and neatly integrated into the main panel. The soundbar is available on all the 3 variants and comes with 40-watt speakers. The soundbar amplifies vocals and bass along with 2 tweeters handling higher notes, which makes sure that you get the best experience in terms of the audio. During the demo of the TV at launch, we are quite impressed with the sound quality it has to offer. It also features Dolby Audio. Moving on to the display. Viu is offering unique Pixelium glass technology for picture brightness and wide viewing angles. And this ensures that the TVs have 500 nits of brightness, which is industry first for this segment. The display has great colors and good viewing angles, making the cinema experience perfect. The TVs also have 100% robotic assembly for bezel-less design that ensures absolute precision, uniform brightness and sleek frameless design. You can see that the TV employs minimalistic bezels for a 4K TV in this price segment. Viu company chairperson and CEO Divita Saraf showcased to us how Viu compares with Samsung and LG 4K TVs at the same price segment. While the average brightness levels for Viu TVs were 500 nits, LG was less than 150 nits and Samsung stood at 300 nits when tested with a brightness testing machine. The colors were also amazing on Viu TV, making them best in the industry. Viu's 4K cinema TVs, as the name indicates, is customized to make your cinema experience the best. Viu cinema TVs also have Dolby Vision HDR support. Talking about the interface, Viu has Android Pie out of the box with stock Android experience. You get apps like Netflix, Hotstar, Amazon Prime, YouTube, Google Play Store pre-installed. And you can also download wide range of apps from the Play Store. The interface is pretty easy to navigate. The company has also set up a dedicated help section for any person who needs help in setting up the TV. There is also support for Chromecast and Google Assistant. The new Viu TV remote gives you a lot of options with 4 main hotkeys to access Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube and Google Play. There is also a dedicated Google Assistant button to communicate with the TV using voice. Viu's upscaler technology, which is built in the Viu Cinema, transmits cinematic realism from VOD channels like Netflix and Prime Video, making sure that you get the best experience in terms of the picture quality. Finally, the ports and connectivity options. You get USB 2.0 port, 3 HDMI ports, LAN port, audio port and also antenna port is included. So it is fairly connected in terms of the ports and connectivity. Moving to the pricing. The new 4K cinema TV pricing starts at Rs 26,999 for the 43-inch, Rs 29,999 for the 50-inch and 33,999 for the 55-inch, making it the most affordable yet premium 4K TVs with true cinema experience. The new TVs will be available on Amazon and Viu's offline partners starting Jan 18th. Having spent some time at the launch event testing the new Viu TVs, we can definitely recommend the new Viu TVs to anyone looking to upgrade to 4K TVs, especially when it beats the LG and the Samsung at the same price segment in terms of the display quality. So that was the hands-on with the new Viu TVs launched in India. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.